create the manual entry of particular student, you are supposed to click on this particular button which is saying create Flipgrid student. So after clicking this button, you will be navigated to this particular window where it is asking me for the roll number, then first name, then mobile number, email ID, and the department and semester. So like we are supposed to give roll call to that particular student, you can say. So for that purpose, you are just supposed to assign one roll number to him, and then like for now I'm just giving it as 1. Then first name, so in the first name field you are supposed to enter the full name of that particular student. So I am just giving out one name here like this. So then it is asking for the mobile number. So mobile number will be a field by using which the student can access our application, like it will be the information which the student will enter to log in our application. So for that purpose we are supposed to give the one active mobile number here of that student. Then it is asking for the email ID. Email ID is not a necessary field, so we can just leave it blank if the student have no email ID, or else if we have, we can just enter it here. And then it is asking for the department. So basically department will be the main thing by which we can differ the batches. So like in one department there will be 8 batches or any number of batches you want, and in the other department there will be the same number of batches, but data will be different for all the batches, you can say. So for now there are this kind like these departments available. So I am just selecting school. So for the school department, this 8 batches data will be different, and for the other department, you can say, for example for computer science department, this data of this all the 8 batches will be different. So for now I am just putting this student in the school department, and he will be accessible, like which batch will be accessible to him, it is asking me for now. So I am just selecting batch 1 now. So batch 1 data will be accessible to this particular student after login. So for that we are just clicking on the save. Cool. So this is how the data of that particular student will be saved in our database. So as you can see, this is my mobile screen, and after clicking on the Flipgrid application, it will open like this, and it is asking for the mobile number to log in the application. So I will just enter the mobile number which I have saved right now. So this is that, and after clicking the login button, it will be verified like this, and the OTP will be sent to me. As you can see, the OTP comes out. So I'll just enter this OTP. So after entering all the OTP, I'll just click on the verify now, and after verifying, my application will be open like this. So as you can see, my name is like appearing here, welcome Udayraj, and as now I have given all the details, like this particular student will be accessible for batch 1 only. So as you can see, if I click on batch 1, this batch 1 window will be open for me, and if I try to click on this batch 2 now, so it is asking me for the access, as we have not given the access of batch 2 to him, so he can just access whatever the material present in the batch 1 only. So as I have logged in my application using my mobile number, all these details you can see coming out here in my admin panel. So like which Android ID my mobile have, then what is my like the name of my device, you can see. So I have logged in using the Xiaomi Mi A3. So all this information are coming out here so that you can trace the students.